Let me show you how to make these amazing spicy pimento cheese sliders that are perfect for the next big game.
For the pimento cheese, add 16 ounces of shredded sharp cheddar, a jar of diced pimentos drained, some diced jalapenos, and 3/4 of a cup of mayo into a bowl. Mix well and set aside. Grab another bowl, add about 1.5 pounds of ground beef into it, add some salt and pepper, mix it well, and form it into patties. Make a thumbprint in the middle of your patty, and that will help your patty from shrinking too much on the grill. I'm grilling up these sliders on my Kenyan electric grill, which is perfect for that grilled taste while it's storming outside. And by the way, check out these grill marks. How beautiful is that? Once the sliders were done and the buns were toasted, throw that bun down, top it with your meat, add a scoop of pimento cheese, some crispy onions, put that top bun on, and man, these were absolutely out of this world and perfect for the next big game.